Alright, here it is, guys. I got the tires in the rear. I sized them down to 35. Just want to show you guys my Infiniti G37S on 370Z wheels. If anyone was thinking about putting Z wheels on their G, I just thought I would make this little video, that way you can see how it comes out. Maybe it'll help you out. So this is a G37S 2010 6-speed manual trans. It has an exhaust leak, so don't really pay attention to the way it's sounding. But so I'm running two different tire sizes on the rears. These are 18-inch wheels, 370Z. I don't know what the specs are, but on the rear I'm running 245 40 R18, which I like the way it looks. It fits pretty flush with the fender. It's sitting pretty nice, you know, the rear wheel. But this 370Z that I got these wheels off, these are stock wheels and they're staggered a bit. The rears are way wider and aggressive compared to the front ones. So to fix this problem, I'm going to run a spacer up here in front. So I'll probably bring the wheel up to sit flush with the fender. So I'm going to run spacers on the front to bring the front wheel out, since they're staggered wheels, but they're both 18s. So they sit pretty good. At least I have room to play in the front, you know, at least it's not too aggressive. Then I can't take away from that. So at least it doesn't come out at all. And I can add my spacer to sit where I want. And then for the front tire, I'm running a less aggressive tire, a smaller tire in the front. I believe these tires are... what are these tires? Okay. These tires are 225 40 18, 225 40 18, and it sits pretty small. I'm going to change that tomorrow. 225 in the front and 245s in the rear. So obviously it's going to look weird and funny, but I'm going to take off the 225s in front. I'm going to run the spacer, and I think I'm going to go up to a 235. I might go to 245. The only reason I don't want to go to this size tire is because this wheel is a lot more aggressive than this front one. Since it's staggered, the tire's not going to fit the same and get the nice stretch that it has to fit under my fender. So I got to calculate it. That way I can size up the tire in the front and maybe just size this one down a notch. I'm not sure what I'll do, but yep, G37 on 370Z wheels. Just wanted to show you guys this car. Maybe I'll make a video after I fix my tire sizes and my offset, so I can show it to you guys. So I'll upload a video in a few days, and you guys can check out how it comes out. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the 370Z wheels on my G37. I'm going to go park this thing now. Alright, here it is, guys. I got the tires in the rear. I sized them down to 35s. So 235 40 in the rear. I'm gonna stick with this size, 235 40 18 in the rear. I like that size, so I'll probably drop a little bit more in the rear on the 235 40s, but I might move these tires up to the front because these are 225s and I don't like them. The car doesn't look that bad though. Ran a 15mm spacer up front, but when I do my 235s in the front, I'm going to size up my spacer so I can get a little bit more aggressive fitment on the front. So I'm going to swap to a 235 tire in the front with the bigger spacer. Possibly I might do that. I don't know, because the car looks pretty good right now. I'm right here at Selena's Tires and Wheels. Got my buddy David helping me out. He always helps me out on my cars, helps me out with tires and stuff. I'll tag his Instagram right here as it pops up. He goes by the Wheel and Tire Plug. He always helps me out, so I can give him a shout out. He's always getting my car set up right and my tires set up right. So I have a mask on, guys, so if you can't hear me that well. But I think the car came out pretty nice with 370Z wheels. So if you have this staggered set, I think 235s work the best if you're looking for like a fitment type. And you're going to need to run a spacer in front because the offset on the front is really high and the rears are really aggressive. That's what goes for this set of wheels that I have on this car. But I'm going to rock it like this for a little bit. So I get tired of it, then I'll size up in the front and go more aggressive in the front. But that's it for now. Just picking up my car from Selena's Tires here in La Habra. Yeah, looks pretty good. So if you guys want to see anything else or know any more information about my G37S, just let me know and I'll reply in the comments. Give you guys one last look at the 370Z wheels on a G37S. Came out pretty good. I like the way the rears fit. Just gonna have to work out the fronts a little bit more, but it doesn't look so bad. Cool, guys, thanks for watching.